that, making your PC faster. So just head to the settings of your Windows 10 PC, and then go to the system option. Over here you get many tabs. Now you just need to head to the storage section, and under the storage, make sure that the storage sense that can automatically free up space, just on it. Okay, make sure it is on. Now from here below you can get option configure storage sense, or run it now. So from here you can configure what to delete and free up your disk space, because the temporary files or the websites and all get stored in your C drive, which is a big hectic kind of thing. So you need to free up some space. Okay, just turn it on. So guys, to your task manager which you have in your Windows 10 PC. Now you need to go to the tab startup. Here you can see the list of apps which are the startup during startup, which they're going. So what you need to do is you have to disable all the things that you all the startup apps which you don't necessarily require, which are unnecessary kind of things. So you can disable them, and it will affect you in a great speed of your PC. So you can just disable this startup apps which you don't need. Disabling the visual effects, so go to the search bar and type performance. So you can see a tab, adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Just click on it, click on that just for best performance. Now you're gonna see many lists are all ticked up. So what you're gonna do is tick on this one. Okay guys, after clicking you'll see a custom. So this is the setting, just copy what I'm doing. Okay, so just tick this, check this out, and click this over here. Okay guys, so thumbnails instead of icons, so status under Windows. So these two things you can keep, and other small things. To go to the search and click over here, power plan, power plan, power plan. So here you get option edit power plan, control plan. I'll just click on it, and after there are four modes over here: balanced, ultimate performance, high performance, power saver. Okay, so what you need to do is click on ultimate performance, change when the computer see ultimate performance. Now in case if you don't have this ultimate performance, I'll provide a video on how to enable ultimate performance in the PC. Of choosing the ultimate performance, you can change plan settings, change funds power settings. Now over here you see process power management, minimum process state 100%. Make sure each and everything is its 100% potential. Maximum processor state 100%. PCI Express, link state power management setting off. These are the things. Click on OK. Now is called disk cleaner. So here you'll get an option called disk cleaner. Just open this option. Now here you have an option which drive you want to clean, C, D, E, F. I'm gonna choose C. Okay, so here it will just calculate how many, it's calculating how much space you were able to hold some feedback, temporary files, thumbnails, recycle B. So here you need to choose which things you need to delete. Daily drivers. So just head to the search and click device manager. Device manager over here. Just open device manager. Over here you get a nice tab telling you about device manager. Here you get the list of all the devices in your system, maybe audio inputs, display adapters, and keyboards, monitors, different kinds of drivers you will get. So from here you need to make sure that all your drivers are up to date. Suppose for example, go to the display adapters, click on the HDR graphics update driver. You can here search automatically for updated driver software. You'll get a open this app, and from here you can scan your PC and check all the drivers and get your drivers updated from here. So your option for scanning computer, please wait for a while. So after scanning your computer, you can see it is showing me the drivers which are up to date and the drivers which is need to be updated. Here my display adapters need to be updated, motherboard, oil and drivers all are up to date. You need to press the Windows key plus R together simultaneously, then you'll see the run command over here, and here you need to type then it's smaller, temp, then click enter, and after clicking enter you can see window comes here. You can see all your junk temporary files which you can easily delete like this. Press delete because we don't need these things. These are just the junk files temporary, so we're gonna delete them. Again you need to open that command. Now here you need to type a different command. Over here just type %temp%. Again you will see another junk temporary files over here. You can easily delete all those which you don't need actually. Okay guys, and after clicking you can see you're recycling these files. Next step guys, again you need to open the run command and type here prefetch. Again you will see another opening. You need to give continue over here. After that, giving the permission, you can see many files again come over here. So what you need to do, you can also delete all these things which you don't need actually. Delete. Okay guys, so you can see after deleting it will just head to your recycle bin, and here you'll see an option enter recycle bin. You can select the files which you need to remove from recycle bin. I always try to see that you make sure the recycle bin is always empty, so that your PC runs smoothly, because you know the just here you can see all your apps over here, all your apps are there. So now what you need to do is then select the bloatwares which you don't need in your PC, like many apps are installed over here. Select the things that you don't need and uninstall them guys, the unnecessary apps and all. Again, if you want to uninstall some system apps, then what you need to is just go to the settings option, just open the settings. Here you'll see apps, just go to the apps, and here you'll see apps and features. So from here also you can uninstall your system apps as well which you don't need actually. Suppose this Microsoft Expression and Cover 4 or the Microsoft OneDrive. From here you can select the app which you don't need, like these apps are there. Just click on them, you'll see an option uninstall. So from here you'll see many options, many apps, all which, and if you think you don't need them, just click on that and just uninstall. Okay guys, so security, Windows security option, you'll see Windows security app. Just click on this, and over here you will see the Windows security pops up. Here's virus and threat protection, account protection. From here you can see that virus and threat protection setup. Virus and threat protection, you can current threats, quick scan, just enable the quick scan and make a quick scan in your PC to check your malwares and all. And if you have a third party antivirus software, suppose I will have over here with me Casper Sky Free, just open that option. Over going to the settings, you will have the option system. Just click on it, and after going to the system, you will see notification and actions. Just head to the notification panel, and over here is a very important thing that you need to see. Here is an option called get tips, tricks, and situations as you use Windows. So you can disable this. By disabling this, I can say that you will not see a huge difference in your performance, but it will lead to a little help to your PC performance, and it can little bit boost up your performance. So you can disable it. It's a process. Okay, guys, the next step is not a kind of PC tricks or tweaks. It is a physical process which you can do. You can upgrade to an SSD. Suppose you're using a older PC with a traditional SATA hard drive, which is much slower than the modern days SSD, that solid state drive. You can easily upgrade to an SSD, which will affect your PC performance and boost your PC performance to up to a huge margin, and you can actually feel the difference. So yeah, SSD may be 120 gigabytes to 40 gigabytes. You can upgrade to an SSD and literally you will see the difference. So on to the next step, is it is also similar to this. You can upgrade your RAM or add your RAM. So make sure that the new RAM which you're gonna buy matches the specifications of the older RAM. And after finding a suitable RAM for you, you can easily upgrade into a more sophisticated RAM. And upgrading your RAM will affect your PC performance, and it will literally boost up your PC performance. It will help you to do better multitasking. You can execute many programs simultaneously. So you can upgrade your RAM, and you will also see a major boost in your PC performance. So that's it for today, guys. So these were some of the tips and tricks, tweaks which you can apply on your PC to boost up your PC performance. And if you like the video, make sure you like the video. Thanks for watching.